Hello, and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, on the Doge chart, I'm currently assuming that the price will fail to form 5 waves up. So obviously we've been looking at this rally that started on the 1st of May. Okay, so this rally that started at circle wave 4, we have seen quite a substantial one. The price took out previous swing highs. That definitely makes this chart interesting because let's say the extension of this increase makes it less likely that it's still part of an ongoing wave 4 correction. However, the rally has not been a 5-wave move, so it's failed to form that impulse to the upside or even that leading diagonal, which would have been important to indicate that we've started the 5th wave. Okay, it's just all we have at the moment is a rally that's quite substantial, but we haven't seen the structure that would support that necessarily, that idea. Now that is where it becomes a bit complicated because the rally, as you know from previous videos and discussions around this chart, the rally is likely an ABC structure anyway. So the idea is that this 5th wave, circle 5, that's unfolding, or that would be unfolding if the low is indeed in, it would be an ABC structure. And A waves can be 3-wave movements. So I've now added this to the chart as question mark because it is more reliable if we see 5 waves up, but it's not doing it. So I will take this micro support area from the chart. The idea was maybe we get 5 waves up. I can leave it on there until it's really broken. The idea is maybe we get 5 waves up in an A wave. That would be a leading diagonal in this larger 5th wave. It's more reliable if we see 5 waves. Okay, an A wave is always more reliable if it forms 5 because then we can say, okay, probably the next pullback should form a higher low. At the moment, the market is incredible. It just leaves it open everywhere. So we only have a 3-wave move up. Only the context tells us that the correction could be finished in this wave 4. Yeah, circle 4, and the extension of the rally. Structurally, not really. This is not an impulse. So I've got 3 waves up, but it can be an A wave, okay? It's just that we don't really know, okay? We just don't really know until we have seen the next reaction and the price forming a higher low. So I'm assuming at the moment that it's not going to form 5 waves up. It would really need to turn around here. It's already broken below the 50% retracement of the 3rd wave to the upside in this yellow A wave. That's already a sign of weakness. And if it doesn't turn around here, it's likely going to break. But that would not be necessarily an issue because it just makes it less reliable. It could easily be that this A wave sits here and it's just forming 3 waves. Now, again, that just makes it less reliable. It means that, yeah, we could be caught in a larger correction, whatever. 5 waves is always what we're looking for reliable setups. So if we don't see anything reliable, it's not a good setup, okay? Just simply tracking the waves, and yeah, there's a potential, but, it's just more like, okay, roll the dice, really. It's similar, balanced probabilities, really. Looking at this swing low here, the 1st of May low is obviously in the invalidation point for the idea that the 4th wave could have bottomed. And if we see a reaction here or from a little bit lower and it's forming a higher low, then it's likely an AB, okay? And then could rally in the C wave towards 26 cents plus. There's likely going to be another ABC structure in there. So ABC will form a larger A, okay, and then another BC, depending on how low that B wave goes. That would be different had we seen nice 5 waves up. Then this could be all of A, all of B, all of C. So yeah, I received a question about this support area. So the question was about, okay, what if we break below this one, the upper one? Will the lower one still be relevant? Yeah, I mean, it's still relevant. First of all, for potentially forming a higher B wave. But also, even if we reset the wave 4, technically, even though it looks very messy, but technically it's possible that this wave 4 resets a bit lower. That's also possible. So again, we have to be patient until we see a clear reversal signal. Not seeing it yet. This is now the area, especially 14 cents. There's a cluster of support, Fibonacci support. Watch that level next for a potential reaction. Below that, we've got 12.4 cents as next support. We need some kind of an impulse to the upside from here. Something that tells us that this local pullback is over. There's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.